Welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about my Carbon Fox carbon panels for my KTM 890 Adventure R and the reason why I bought it. So I'm sorry for the sunglasses, but the sun is shining today and I like to wear sunglasses when the sun is shining. So we're going to talk about the Carbon Fox panels and why I bought them. First, let me introduce myself for the people who don't know me. My name is Dennis. I'm from the channel Droommotor. I've been building my own projects for a couple of years now, and of course with the help of some friends and also with the help of Carbon Fox. So this bike is my personal KTM 890 Adventure R from 2023. I bought this bike because I wanted a lighter bike than my Desert X and I want to make it as light as possible, and that's mainly the first reason why I bought the carbon panels. The carbon panels make the bike about 3 to 5 kilos lighter. It's of course not a lot, but everything helps. So in this case I bought the carbon panels for the front and the carbon skid plate and the carbon rear parts and the carbon chain guard at the back. And the fitment was great. So the fitment on the front, it fitted perfectly, fitted like a glove. It's almost the same as the original. And the fitment on the rear was also perfect. It's almost the same as the original. It slides right on. So I really like the attention of detail on the carbon panels. They're gloss carbon. I did sticker them because I wanted to protect them, because they are glossy and glossy things do scratch a bit, especially when riding off-road. But yeah, I think the set will complement the Carbon Fox panels. Second reason why I bought it is because I wanted a black base for my sticker set. I wanted to give it a mean look and I wanted to give it a different look. Also, I'm planning to buy a rally tower and that will fit really well with the carbon panels. So that's why I did it. One thing to note is that you get with this set you get two cool spaces on the rear panels, and what I also really like is the attention of detail. So they have the spot for measuring the sag of the suspension on the rear integrated in the rear panels, just exactly the same as original, and that means that they really have attention for detail, which I really like. Overall, would I recommend these panels? Yeah, of course. If you're on a budget, it's not a good idea, but if you have the money for it, you want to make your bike as light as possible and you want something unique and something different, I highly recommend the carbon panels from Carbon Fox. If you have any questions about this, please contact me or contact Carbon Fox and hopefully we can help you with it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you want to see my newest video, tap here. If you want to see my recommended video for you, tap here. And if you want to subscribe, tap here. Thanks for watching. Tap here, or tap here.